Trust in Jah, Jah Rastafari,
and prepare for Hurricane Melissa.
the flood waters may come,
The flood waters may come,
the strong winds will blow us
strong winds will blow.
and cause damage.
With the help of God, we will overcome Melissa.
Jamaica we little, but we tall our. But know this, God is with all of Jamaica. Brace yourself, Jamaica.
People knelt in rubble, hands full of what remained. At the crossroads, young women cried out, their homes gone. I watched them, and the weight hit hard. The thought of life's treasures scattered to wind and rain brought tears.